Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is about the Fento knee pads, Fento 2000 Pro. This one is even more comfortable and durable. It's a solid knee pad for those who do flooring and some kind of DIY project. As you can see, it's a very solid knee pads, comfortable as well, and it costs nearly $120. The Fento 2000 Pro supports and protects both the knee and the whole lower leg when kneeling on a solid surface. As you can see, there are some holes, so it's breathable. It doesn't sweat, unlike other knee pads. The front is really solid, so you're not feeling the surface that you're kneeling on, and it's got a little bit of support for lower legs. This is the one, and it's replaceable as well, so if it gets worn out you can replace it, the lower leg bit. Right, okay, let's try it. Let's get rid of this old one, and we are going to try this one. Right, let's try the Fento one. It's flexible and water resistant as well. If you ever clean the floor, you can wear this. You can even walk with it a long distance from where your project is. Let's just say down to cap, or from first floor to ground floor where you clean other types of flooring or door frames. It just doesn't feel like you've got a bit of weight on your knees. It's really light. You can wear it anywhere you like, really. This makes and feels comfortable to wear when sitting and walking as well. Right, okay, it was a quick view of this Fento 2000 Pro knee pads. Hope this gives you some information and idea. If you can afford it, you can always buy one. We've tried it on all sorts of flooring, and it feels nice and comfortable. It might take a little while to get used to it. There we go. Thank you very much. Bye bye.